Hi everyone, good day. My name is Jen and I'm back. Today we are gonna learn something, of course, and it's all about tenses of the verb. So the previous videos that I took, I think that was simple present and the simple past. And today we're gonna learn the two tenses again. Not the previous ones, but another lesson. Okay, so yeah, we will have this one today. So the simple future and the simple present continuous. So I think you are familiar with those tenses. And of course, there are 12 tenses, 12 tenses of the verb in English. But then I'm going to discuss first the basic ones, which are the four. The simple present, the simple past, the simple future, and the simple present continuous. So we need to master the four first so that we can move on to the next. Okay, so now let's start. So the simple future and the simple present continuous for today. So we're gonna start the simple future. The simple future The simple future will have a formula will, shall, plus the base form. Okay, when you see the base form, it means the original spelling of the verb. Okay, next, to predict a future event. That is simple future. Things will happen in the future. So it means it will happen in the future. So not yet happened. And not done yet, of course. It's not finished yet. So that is actually easy. Right? So now let's have to move on to the next one. We'll be learning, the plural subjects and the singular subjects. Actually, the previous videos that I took, I discussed the singular subjects and the plural subjects. Right? So we'll have those. So the singular subjects are he, she, Jen, it, of course. Those are the singular subjects. When you say plural subjects, they, we, you, and I. I is actually singular. Okay, I'm sorry for that. And that would be, the formal will be will plus base form. So it doesn't matter even your subject is singular or plural. It doesn't matter. You just have to use will plus the base form. Okay, so now let's have to move on to the keywords. When you say keywords, so you will actually know, you would know that, this is the simple future of the verb. This is a simple future sentence, like that. So let's have to learn those. It is actually very important to learn. So tomorrow like that, tomorrow, next week, next year, next month, next, like that. Next Monday, on Monday in 2023, in December, the day after tomorrow. Those are the keywords in simple future. Okay, so for example, if I would say, I will go to school tomorrow. I will go to work tomorrow. So that is the simple future. So you have to use will, and of course the keywords. Okay, so that's it. It couldn't be. It can't be, It cannot be interchanged. Why? So for example, if you say, I go to school tomorrow. No, it's a big no, because you are not using will. You should use will. I will go to school tomorrow. So that's it. Will. Next, I'm gonna give you 3 examples. Okay, so I'm sorry. This is actually example. Okay. Okay, so I will go to work tomorrow. So I will. Next, she will. She will study English later. So the keywords there, the keyword is later. We shall eat dinner. So that's actually a suggestion that we shall eat dinner. You shall plus eat. And I'm not putting keywords there, but if we are actually using shall eat, so it means I can understand that your sentence or you're pertaining about not yet done, right? Maybe later or maybe tomorrow because you were using shall. So that's it. Next one, excuse me. Okay, so I think it's done. That's the simple future. That's easy, right? Next, let's move on to number 4. So this is one of the basic tenses of the verb, simple present continuous. Okay, so let's have to move on to the formula. So is, are plus ing, of course. So when you say simple present continuous, that means now. It is happening right now. You are doing right now. So at the moment of speaking, you are doing. So that's it. That is the simple present continuous. Next, we are going to learn, we're going to learn some. So for example, the singular subjects are he, she, can, it. So those are, and I, of course. But we are not going to follow that one there. So we are going to move on to this one first. So he, she, can, it. So it should be, so he, she, can, it. Those are singular. It means one subject, only one. So you have to put s. Is, Jen is, she is, he is, it is. So that's it. It is, he is eating, she is cooking, Jen is teaching, it is jumping. So that's it. Next, we're gonna learn they, we, you, the plural subjects. When you say plural, that means many, so more than one. So you should use are, of course, are plus ing. So for example, they are cooking, we are eating, you are teaching. That's done. It's easy, right? Now let's have to move on to I. This is singular, but you have to use am for this one. It is always paired with So I am eating, I am cooking. So that's it. It is easy. So when you say simple present continuous, it means right now you are doing. So this is the formula using the subjects. It's easy. Next one, let's move on. Okay, simple present continuous keywords. So right now, at this moment, at the moment. So it means right now you're doing. It's easy, right? So don't be confused. So because sometimes people say, I cooking now. It is wrong. You have to say I am cooking now. She cooking now. No, it is not correct. You would say he is, she is cooking right now, or she is cooking now. Like that. Next, some people might like confused. They are confused using the keywords. So for example, instead of saying, I go to school yesterday. I go to school yesterday. Instead of saying went, but they said I go to. But the keyword is wrong, right? Yesterday. So it should be I went to school yesterday. That's it. So the keywords must be fitted. It must be paired with the correct tenses. Okay? That's the most important. And let's move on to the next one. Okay, so the keywords of simple present continuous, that would be right now, now, at this moment, at the moment. Next, let's move on. Example. So I'm going to give you 3 examples again. So number 1, she is cooking right now. Okay, so she is cooking right now. She is the singular subject, so you have to use is because it's only one. And you have to use ing, of course. So when you say she is cook, no, it should be cooking. Next, they are studying. When you say they, it means more than one, many. So it should be are. And you have to put ing. So they are studying. No, they are studying English at the moment. That's your keyword. So that's why you are using are studying, because your keyword is at the moment. It means right now, at the moment of speaking, you are studying. Next, I am talking now. So yes, it's just like this. I am talking right now. Now, at the moment of speaking, I'm talking. So that's it. I am talking. So that's it. Next, Jen is teaching. Jen is teaching English now. So of course I'm teaching English right now. So that's why I'm using this. And singular subject, it means only one. You have to use is. And you have to use ing. And your keyword is right now. It means now. At the moment of speaking, you are teaching. That's actually easy, right? I hope you're learning something and you understood everything and it's done. That's my lesson for today. I think that is easy, right? So I hope you're learning, and yeah, for the next video, I'm gonna review the 4 tenses of the verb. So which are the simple present, the simple past, the simple present continuous, and the simple future. I'm gonna review those, and let's see if you're following me and you're learning. Thank you for watching my video and have a great day. Good night. Oyasumi nasai. I'm gonna sleep actually. Goodbye.